Title and copyright. Lecture Notes in Energy 73. Manfred Hafner, Simone Tagliapietra, editors. The Geopolitics of the Global Energy Transition. Springer Open. Lecture Notes in Energy. Volume 73. Lecture Notes in Energy, LNE, is a series that reports on new developments in the study of energy, from science and engineering to the analysis of energy policy. The series' scope includes but is not limited to renewable and green energy, nuclear, fossil fuels and carbon capture, energy systems, energy storage and harvesting, batteries and fuel cells, power systems, energy efficiency, energy in buildings, energy policy, as well as energy-related topics in economics, management and transportation. Books published in LNE are original and timely and bridge between advanced textbooks and the forefront of research. Readers of LNE include postgraduate students and non-specialist researchers wishing to gain an accessible introduction to a field of research, as well as professionals and researchers with a need for an up-to-date reference book on a well-defined topic. The series publishes single and multi-authored volumes as well as advanced textbooks. Indexed in Scopus and A Compendix. The Springer Energy Board welcomes your book proposal. Please get in touch with the series via Anthony Doyle, Executive Editor, Springer. Anthony.Doyle@springer.com. More information about this series at http://www.springer.com/series/8874. Manfred Hafner, Simone Tagliapietra, editors. The Geopolitics of the Global Energy Transition. Springer Open. Editors, Manfred Hafner, Fondazione Eni Enrico Mattei, Milan, Italy. Simone Tagliapietra, Fondazione Eni Enrico Mattei, Milan, Italy. ISSN 2195-1284. ISSN 2195-1292, electronic. Lecture Notes in Energy. ISBN 978-3-30-39065-5. ISBN 978-3-30-39066-2, ebook. https://doi.org/10.1007/978-3-030-39066-2. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2020. This book is an open access publication. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License, http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/closing parenthesis, which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source. Provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Switzerland AG. The registered company address is Gewerbstrasse 11, 6330 Cham, Switzerland.